Hey, it's Natalie again. I am at a new listing that we're putting up today, and I just wanted to show you this amazing lot. So this is 1285 North Sculpin Loop. It is an RV deeded lot in the Swan Creek RV Park. The lot itself is 0.13 acres, so it's one of the larger lots here in the neighborhood. And the HOA dues are $750 per year. That includes all your road maintenance up to the property, your water usage and sewer, and then you have to pay power on top of it, roughly $50 to $60 a month, depending on how much you're up here. But the lots are beautiful. They have great views of the lake, great views of the mountains. Just take a look behind me. Check out the view of the lake off of this. You're up high, and when we pan around, we've got this beautiful hillside. It's a beautiful sunny day here in October, by the way. Beautiful hillside that you're going to see a ton of wildlife on. It is so worth it. So come on up, grab your RV spot, bring your RV. You've got tents, you've got a shed here on the property ready to go with a little grass area for your puppies or kitties, whatever it is you're packing around with you. But come on up. We'd love to see you.